Finding the perfect sunscreen that protects your skin without causing breakouts can feel like a challenge, especially for those prone to acne or sensitive skin. Non-comedogenic sunscreens are specially formulated to provide broad-spectrum protection without clogging pores or triggering irritation. Today, we're diving into the best non-comedogenic sunscreens 1 to 5 that blend powerful UV defense with skin-friendly ingredients. Whether you need a lightweight daily shield or a mineral-based formula, these picks ensure your skin stays clear, hydrated, and safe from sun damage all day long. At number 1, Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Neutrogena Ultra. Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen is a dermatologist-recommended, broad-spectrum sunscreen formulated to provide high SPF protection while being lightweight and non-greasy. Designed specifically for sensitive and acne-prone skin, it's a reliable option for daily sun defense. Key features featuring Helioplex technology for stable UVA and UVB protection. This sunscreen offers SPF 100+ to guard against intense sun exposure. Its dry touch technology ensures a matte finish that absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky or oily residue. The formula is oil-free and non-comedogenic, reducing the risk of clogged pores. Benefits and usage. This sunscreen effectively shields your skin from harmful UV rays while controlling shine, making it perfect for oily and combination skin types. It helps prevent sunburn and long-term sun damage, which can lead to premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Usability. The lightweight, fast-absorbing formula makes it comfortable for everyday use, even under makeup or alone. It doesn't leave a white cast, which is a common concern with high SPF products. Suitable for all skin types, especially those prone to acne and sensitivity. Durability, packaged in a squeezable bottle for easy application and hygiene. A 3 ounces bottle lasts several weeks with daily use, making it a practical and long-lasting option. Second spot, we have Super Goop. Unseen Super Goop. Unseen sunscreen is a game changer in the realm of invisible, weightless sun protection. This oil-free, gel-based sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 40 without leaving any residue, making it perfect for those seeking an undetectable shield that won't clog pores. Key features. The formula is packed with antioxidants and plant extracts that protect and nourish the skin. It's completely transparent upon application and boasts a primer-like texture that smooths the skin's surface. The sunscreen is vegan, fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, ensuring no pore clogging or irritation. Benefits and usage. This sunscreen delivers reliable protection against UVA and UVB rays while doubling as a makeup primer, helping foundation stay put longer. It's ideal for all skin types, especially oily and acne-prone skin. Apply a dime-sized amount to clean skin 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours, or as needed. Usability with a velvety, lightweight feel. It layers seamlessly under makeup or stands alone. It leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and non-greasy without any white or sticky residue. Durability. Packaged in a sleek tube. The 1.7 ounces size lasts approximately 6 to 8 weeks with daily use, providing consistent, long-lasting sun defense. Coming in at number 3 is the CeraVe Facial SPF CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion AM/SPF 30 combines sun protection with essential skin barrier support. Perfect for those seeking a dual-action product. Formulated by dermatologists, it's crafted to hydrate skin while delivering non-comedogenic broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection. Key features. This lotion includes ceramides to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier, along with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, and non-comedogenic, making it gentle enough for sensitive and acne-prone skin. The included SPF shields against UVA and UVB rays, Benefits and usage. The product hydrates throughout the day while protecting from sun damage, reducing dryness, irritation, and premature aging. It's especially beneficial for dry or combination skin needing lightweight moisture alongside. Protection. Apply evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapplying every 2 hours for continued coverage. Usability. The lotion's creamy yet non-greasy texture absorbs quickly and comfortably. Suitable for daily use under makeup or on its own, it provides a subtle, natural finish without shine or residue. Durability. The pump bottle ensures hygienic dispensing and protects the formula's integrity. A 3 ounces bottle offers several weeks of reliable daily use. Taking our 4th spot is Bioderma Photoderm Max Aqua Fluide is a high protection, lightweight fluid sunscreen tailored for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Its innovative formula ensures maximum UVA, UVB defense while maintaining a comfortable, matte finish that won't clog pores. Key features. This sunscreen offers SPF 50+ protection with an ultra-fluid texture that absorbs instantly and leaves no white cast. It contains Bioderma's patented cellular bioprotection complex to strengthen skin's natural defenses. The oil-free, non-comedogenic formula is hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive. Benefits and usage. The product shields the skin from harmful UV rays, prevents photoaging, and soothes irritation. Its ultralight texture feels breathable and non-sticky, ideal for daily use in humid climates or under makeup. Apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply regularly for uninterrupted protection. Usability. The fluid consistency spreads easily, absorbs rapidly, and leaves skin feeling fresh and matte. It's comfortable for oily or combination skin prone to breakouts, ensuring no clogged pores or greasy residue. Durability. Packaged in a 40 milliliters tube designed for easy travel and hygiene. A single bottle typically lasts 5 to 6 weeks with daily application. Finally, at number 5, we have Aveeno Positively Mineral Sensitive Skin Sunscreen. Is a mineral-based, gentle sunscreen formulated for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It provides broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection with a calming blend of natural oat and non-comedogenic minerals. Key features. This sunscreen contains 100% zinc oxide and titanium dioxide as physical blockers, making it ideal for sensitive skin types prone to irritation or breakouts. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic, offering effective sun protection with soothing benefits. Benefits and usage. It protects against UVA and UVB rays while calming redness and irritation with oat extracts. Perfect for everyday use on sensitive or reactive skin. It helps maintain hydration and skin balance. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours for consistent protection. Usability. The lotion has a lightweight, non-greasy feel with minimal white cast typical of mineral sunscreens. It absorbs well and layers nicely under makeup or moisturizer without clogging pores. Durability. Packaged in a 3 ounces bottle, it lasts several weeks with daily use and provides reliable, mineral-based sun defense for sensitive skin. Protecting your skin from the sun is essential, but finding a sunscreen that doesn't clog pores or cause breakouts is just as important. The best non-comedogenic sunscreens 1 to 5 featured today combine broad-spectrum UV defense with lightweight, skin-friendly formulas tailored to keep your complexion clear and comfortable. From the ultra-sheer power of Neutrogena to the gentle mineral protection of Aveeno, these sunscreens offer reliable protection without compromise. Which one will you add to your routine? Comment below and subscribe for more trusted skincare reviews.